Hi everybody, how is everybody doing? My friend is getting married tomorrow and she asked me to do her bridal bouquet. I think it's a good idea to make a video about it. So I'm gonna show you how I put together a bridal bouquet today. First, I want to lay out all the flowers on the table because when they are in the bucket, they tend to tangle up and it's really hard to take them out, especially when you are working by yourself. It could take a long time and it's really frustrated. Laying out the flowers can help the process go faster. I also want to have my tools ready to go when I need it. I use rubber bands for my bouquets. I have tiny hands and the bridal bouquet can get really big. It usually have like at least 25 to 30 stems in it, and it's just too big for my hand to hold. So usually I have to use multiple rubber bands in the bouquet. I like to start with the woody stems first, like this hydrangea here, to create a structure for the bouquet. Then continue with the greenery. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to hold the bouquet yet, you might want to have somebody to hold the bouquet for you while you put it together. Or you can use a mirror. You can stand in front of a mirror to have a better view at the bouquet. So I usually have to use the mirror when I put together a cascading bouquet. However, today I only do a hand-tied bridal bouquet, so I don't think I will need to use a mirror for it. So about the bouquet, I usually start with the greenery, then the filler, and then lastly is the focal flowers. Anything that is easy to break or smaller, I will try to put it like at the end. There you go, a beautiful bridal bouquet. Thank you so much for watching.